Hello and a warm welcome to all. Today, we embark on an intriguing journey to understand the backbone of our modern digital world, the Internet. In this digital age, the Internet has become as vital as air, and yet many of us don't fully grasp how this vast network of information functions. The Internet, in its simplest terms, is a global network of interconnected devices. It's a colossal web of computers talking to each other, sharing, sending, and receiving information. Imagine it as a digital version of the human nervous system where each device is a nerve cell and the data is the electrical impulses flowing between them. This video will take you through the key aspects of how the Internet works. We'll start from the basics of data transfer, explaining how information is broken down into data packets and sent across the globe in the blink of an eye. Next, we'll delve into Internet Service Providers, or ISPs, the companies that provide us with access to this global network, and the different types of Internet connections they offer, from cable and DSL to the high-speed fiber connections. We'll then venture into the world of servers, those powerful computers that host the websites we visit and the data we access. Here, we'll discuss the client-server model, the fundamental relationship that makes the Internet possible. From there, we'll move to domain names and the Domain Name System, or DNS, the Internet's own address book, which translates human-friendly website names into machine-readable IP addresses. We'll also touch upon the various protocols that govern communication on the Internet, including HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, and more. These are the rules that devices follow when they talk to each other. We'll explore the role of routers and routing algorithms in ensuring that data packets reach their correct destinations. They are like traffic cops directing the flow of Internet traffic. Lastly, we'll shed light on the challenges of Internet security and how encryption, specifically SSL/TLS, secures our data transmission, ensuring our private information remains private. In understanding these core concepts, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and genius of the Internet. This knowledge can help us better navigate the digital world and perhaps even spur curiosity to explore further. Before we sign off, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it interesting or useful. Thank you for your time and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way soon. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning,